Hi everybody! Today I will show you how to make fun watercolor paintings using washi tapes. You can use as many or as little as you want. You can also create fun white lines by removing the tapes. So if you want to see how I made them, keep watching my video. You need some watercolor paint, paintbrush, water, paper towel, colorful washi tapes, watercolor paper, and a tablecloth. Let's start by making the painting with the white lines. Place washi tapes on your paper. The color of the washi tape doesn't matter because we removed them at the end. You can also use painter's tape. Start to paint each section with a different color. For this design, I had decided to follow the pattern of the rainbow, starting with red, then orange, yellow, moving to green, then blue, and finally purple. Let it dry completely and carefully remove the tapes. Here you go.
Wow!
So pretty! For the second design, I have picked fun and colorful washi tapes because I will not be removing them at the end. Use a smaller brush for small sections. And switch to a bigger brush for the big sections. And here's the final result. It's so easy and beautiful, right? I hope you will give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.